Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking, but I bought an air fryer. Join me as I bake in my car.
Welcome back to another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're joining you from Warramai Country at Myall Lakes National Park, and we're going to be testing out our new air fryer to make some mini pizzas. Now before we get baking, check out our new mini air fryer. We were walking through K-Mart and saw it for $35 and couldn't resist. It uses 700 watts of 240 volt power, and it fits these pizza bases oh so well. How satisfying. Now here are the ingredients you're going to need. And here's a list you can screenshot for later. Now let's get on to the cooking. First thing we're going to do is turn on our inverter. Then we're going to prepare a tasty beverage. After that, you're going to lay out your pizza bases. We're going to be making 4 today. Now sauce your pizza bases. You can use whatever sauce you want. We're using a tomato-based one. Now slice up your capsicum. This may not be your topping of choice, but we thought it was pretty tasty. After that, you're going to slice up some ham. Then add the ham onto your pizza. After that, top it with some pepperoni. Then chuck on some capsicum and some mushrooms. One thing to be careful of is that the mini pizzas get pretty stacked pretty quickly. Now cover them in cheese. If you don't know how much cheese to use, follow your heart. And now it's time to whack them in the air fryer. We set the air fryer to 200 degrees, but you could probably go a little lower if you wanted. Now we reach the most annoying part about this air fryer, and the only real thing I can fault it for. The touch display was not very sensitive at all, and it can be a little bit tricky to get going. Also, every time you open the door, it turns off the air fryer and you have to reset it. That being said, I only paid $35 for it, so I can't really complain too much. There we go. Now you've got 3 to 5 minutes to check out your surroundings. A little less time than you normally have with the travel buddy. And here's our finished result. Now the travel buddy definitely isn't going anywhere in the car, but if you want something crispy, the air fryer is definitely the way to go. Now you may be wondering about power consumption. While the air fryer is operating, it uses about 72 amps at 13 volts. We cooked 4 pizzas, and that went from 60% battery capacity to 54% battery capacity. If you do the math, that means that we use 10.8 amp hours of our 180 amp hour bank.
And there you have it, mini pizzas, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram at Baked in My Car.